Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Market Pulse. I'm Ajit Mahuli, the founder and mentor at Learn Price Action Trading. Let's take a look at what the indices have been doing and are likely to do. Let's start with Nifty. This month has been pretty bearish on a monthly chart. After hitting a lifetime high in the last month, we have been moving down. We still are close to the lower end of the month, and the next demand on the monthly chart starts all the way here. So that's where we would probably expect Nifty to go if we close this month bearish or below last month's close. That's the monthly demand zone. Otherwise, the trend is strong enough, and here will be good areas for swing positions. On the weekly chart, we do have a very comparative kind of move at this gap area. Nifty managed to hold the last week lows on the weekly chart, and that's the next area of demand where we would probably like to take some positions on the swing side. That's about 18,800. That's the next area of demand zone, and after that, probably somewhere close to 18,000 to 17,500. And if we move up from here, the minimum move will probably, the daily chart will be able to tell us. This is again an uptrending and a very correct, compulsive corrective move. On the daily chart, if you take a look at this from 19,300 to 20,000, we went pretty fast, and it has taken us a lot of time. There are a lot of dips here. Though the trend is down on the daily, and if we break 19,200, we probably will move all the way towards 18,000, 19,000 to 18,800. At this point, that's the area of supply zone on the monthly chart. Sorry, on the daily chart for Nifty. So if Nifty makes a move upwards by holding these lows of 19,230, probably we will move at least towards 19,500 based on the daily chart. The smaller term time frames will probably now hold bigger importance here. So we're moving up from these areas on the smaller time frame. That's a gap low, and we still haven't breached that gap low, so there is a good chance. Since today we had a gap up and we sustained, we could even first at least move towards 14,400 to 14,450 areas. So that's where you can have your short-term income longs spread off. And based on how prices react, if we move up beyond 460, we would probably move towards 550. That's where swing shorts can be taken. Otherwise, I would look at confirmation shorts here, because if this supply holds, we could then probably move easily towards 19,000 to 15,800. But remember, this is an expiry week, so market will remain volatile and if we hold these lows, we'll probably try to move up towards at least 14,400 to 14,500 areas this whole week. A quick look at India VIX. India VIX is rising, and based on the monthly chart, looks poised to go towards at least 15 monthly and weekly. On the daily chart, we have some supply here for the India VIX, and this is negatively correlated with the index. So if this moves down, index would probably move up, and that's the area 15,000 where probably it should move up eventually in the month of September, and we should have Nifty at around 18,800 at least. So be careful about holding swing long positions. Whatever reward to risk profits you get, you need to be exiting at that point. Now, Bank Nifty is a little bit stronger as compared to Nifty, and it's primarily because of HDFC and HDFC Axis and Kotak Bank. These banks are strong and low on the curve. So we moved and gave a low of about 43,600 this month. The monthly trend is up. That's the area probably where we will look at some swing long and cover any swing shorts that you would have. That's a monthly demand zone, which is about 41,700. The trend is up. That's the area where we can look at longs. On the weekly chart, after 4 weeks of sustained fall, we are trying to move up, but remember we broke a demand zone. So even if this move up goes up all the way, probably 45,000 to 45,300 is the area where we'll go. Based on the weekly chart, fresh areas of demand on the weekly charts are at 41,500 approximately. And if we move up and come down, probably we will come at least all the way towards 42,800. That's the next weekly demand zone. No supply on the monthly chart, but we did break a demand zone. On the daily chart, if you see, this has been stronger as compared to Nifty. Nifty gave a new low. This did not give a new low. And we are moving up from these areas of demand zone on the daily chart. This probably might move at least towards, not at least, max towards 45 to 50. That's a daily supply zone. And here probably that's the area where we'll again try to retest. And if we fail to break this area of supply zone, we will probably move down further. So that's a range. If you're holding longs, you can hold it up to 44,800. And once we go below this, new targets, let's say about 42,500 to 41,500. On the smaller intraday time frames, we are moving from a fresh area of demand zone. Bank Nifty has been strong, as I said, primarily because of HDFC and other Kotak and Axis banks. That's the area of supply we may retry to test, which is about 45,000. So once we go below 44,600, we could easily move towards 44,800 to 44,000, 45,000. And below 44,000, we would see probably a retest of levels of 43,300 to 43,500. But so far, short-term trend for Bank Nifty remains bullish, and HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank and probably even XBI are the ones to look out for. Now we are already long in the community at these at HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank short term, and also long in the index at these areas. We would be looking at exiting probably at 44,800. So a slightly bullish bias, still 45,000. Remember, this week is an expiry week and we could see volatile movements. So if you're long, please make sure that your targets are already put in the system and wait for new shorts. Please go to the disclaimer.